Hello friends, welcome to my channel ProSkill Academy. In today's lesson, we are going to explore an important concept in mathematics, the least common multiple or LCM. Now before discussing about LCM, we have already created videos on ACF. If you have not gone through those videos, I have put the link of the playlist in the description box. And also if you are new to my channel, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel so that I can bring you more such interesting videos. Now coming back, in this video you will learn what LCM means, why it is called as least, and what does common multiple means, and how it helps us in solving everyday mathematics problem. By end of this video, you will clearly understand the theory behind LCM and ready to apply it in real life situations and exams. So let's get started. The least common multiple is a fundamental concept in mathematics that helps us work with two or more numbers when we want to find a number that all of them can exactly divide. Now the term least in the least common multiple means the smallest or lowest in value, and common multiple refers to a number that appears in list of multiples for all given numbers. Therefore, the LCM is defined as the smallest positive number, that is a multiple of each of the given numbers. The concept is useful in situations where we need to align or synchronize repeated actions. For example, if two events occur at different regular intervals, the LCM tells us when both events will happen at the same time again. Similarly, it is used in arithmetic when finding a common denominator for adding or subtracting fractions. Now, the LCM plays an important role in number theory and has applications in real life problem solving, time scheduling, engineering, and computer science. By identifying the smallest shear multiple, it helps avoid unnecessary repetition and simplifies calculations. Now, said that, let us see an example now how LCM looks like. So here the given question or the problem is to find the LCM of 4 and 6. Now in the first row we have written down the multiples of 4. So 4 can exactly divide 0, 8, 12, 16 and 24 and so on. Again 6 can divide 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. Now if you observe these two lists, 12 and 24 are common in both this list. But which is the least out of them? 12 is the least out of them. Hence 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. I hope this concept of LCM with an example is clear to you. Now if you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to comment in the comment box and I will be happy to solve your doubts and questions. Please stay tuned for the next video where we shall see what are the different methods to find out the LCM and also see different problems related to ACF and LCM. Thank you. Until then, see you in our next video.